Hello kid. Hello everyone. Welcome to CIA YouTube channel. My name is Rathona. I'm a teacher at CIA. Okay, everyone. So now we start about the lesson. Okay. Listen to me 3 times. D. Okay. So now all together repeat after me. D. Yes. Your turn. Good job. Okay. Uppercase D. Listen. Lowercase d. Everyone repeat after me. Lowercase d. Okay, your turn. Please read. Yes, good. Okay, everyone, how to write uppercase D and lowercase d? Okay, raise your finger up, right on the air, up, down, straight. Again, up, down, straight, up, curve, down. Okay, uppercase D. Okay, right on the paper, up, down, straight, up, curve, down. Yeah, uppercase D. One more. Lowercase d. Okay. Curve down and up, down, straight. Okay. Curve down, up, down, straight. Okay. Your turn. Teacher say the step of the letter. All you read. Okay. Let's start. Okay, good job. Uppercase D, lowercase d, uppercase D, lowercase d. Okay, so now all you can write it, but cannot know about the sound. Okay, so now teacher read the sound. Letter D. D, D. D, D. Okay, your turn. D. Good. Okay. So now everyone, teacher has 3 words that start from letter D. Okay. The first word, Okay. Dog. Your turn. Yes, good. Okay, one more. Dark. Your turn. Good. desk, desk, desk. Okay, your turn. Okay, good. Desk. Okay, teacher read the letter and the sound and the word for you again. The dog, the dark, the desk. Okay, it is a dog, it is a duck, it is a desk. Okay, it's finished for my lesson, everyone. Please don't forget to write down uppercase D and lowercase d one page, and don't forget to wash your hand before you eating something. Bye bye kids. Bye bye everyone.